welcome family, friends, and loved ones. All of you have come from near and far to be with us tonight to celebrate this joyous, joyous event with Blake and Lauren. The couple would like to especially thank their parents, Harold and Olivia, Sandy and Jerry, for all the love and support you've given them over the years, and all the rest of you who've come to share this day. They'd also like to honor in memoriam those who cannot be here tonight, Lauren's mother Meg and both their grandparents. These loved ones will stay in their heart forever and tonight. Today is a celebration of love, commitment, of friendship, and of family, and of two people who are in it forever. You don't have to have a ceremony to have a marriage. And when you think about it, it's all a little weird, isn't it? Here they are standing up here, all fancy, with flowers, and being stared at by pretty much everyone who's meant anything to them over the last 30 years. So why did we do it? Well, the marriage ceremony has been an important feature across every society, generation, religion, and let's see what else. Yeah, culture. Yeah. Despite our differences, love is what we all share. It's the great unifier, our one universal truth. And no matter what we are, who we come from, what we believe, we know one thing: love is what we're doing right. That's why you both are standing here, and that's why all of you are out there watching them stand up here. We've all loved in our lifetimes, and in this moment, we're reminded that the ability to love is the best part of humanity. All of us today have our own love stories. Some are short, some are long, some have been unwritten, and some are just getting to the good part. There are chapters in all our stories that are sad or disappointing, and others that are exciting and adventurous. Lauren and Blake's love story began, like so many other romances these days, with the online dating site OkCupid.
Yeah. Why is that funny?
They checked out each other's profile, they liked what they saw, and they decided to give it a shot. And that first date was telling. It all began over a beer at a Thai restaurant in San Francisco, and it just kept going. They liked what they saw right from the beginning. Lauren liked the fact that he could make her laugh, and laugh, and laugh, and Blake liked that she could quote The Simpsons. But Lauren didn't know quite what to think when Blake said to her, "You like to have fun?" But hey, this was an adventure, so why not check it out? But they found their fun down at the arcade and mirror maze at Fisherman's Wharf. Oh, this date was getting better and better. And that was, and it lasted well into the wee hours, too, of the morning. But that was just the beginning. Many dates followed that one. But unfortunately, life is not all fun and games. And when the unthinkable loss happened and Lauren lost her mom, Blake was there. He stood by her. He supported her. He helped her through her sorrow. No, he could not heal it, but he did make it better. And there were many more adventures that followed that, and then a 3-month road trip, driving all across this wonderful country of ours, and then they realized they were in it for the long haul. So, here they are, settled in Columbus, Ohio, and they're about to start the next chapter of their love story, and I know it's going to be great. Love stories are not made up of single moments. There are the big ones, like saying I love you, meeting the parents, moving in together, and, let's see, maybe getting engaged. But mostly it's the million little things, like coming home from work to a clean house. Thank you, Blake. Being tucked in just right at watching indie films at the movie house, making each other their favorite snacks, and in the winter, those snowy walks. And let's not forget the goofy dancing. Well, these everyday experiences fuse into one great big experience. And even though the experience is so incredible, words fail us when we try to explain it. That's just the way it is in love. It's meant to be felt, not described. But trying to describe love is one of our favorite pastimes. And even though we describe it in different ways, and even though love can look different from one person to the next, we all know it when we see it, and we see it here. And so today we're going to have some words about love coming from some people who you love the most. Adriana, would you like to step up, please?
All right. This is called the impregnable question. If there is ever the impregnable question of why what did or didn't pass, it would help to seek comfort in destiny. But I really don't. We don't see eye to eye, but I need you, and you're always on my mind. Whether there is or isn't any position you care if I take or I don't, I will always hope what we shared so long to be the only love. And though we don't see eye to eye, I need you, and you're always on my mind. Through time and through many a situation, we both look forward side by side. We have shared it all. We have both stood tall. What's mine is yours, in happiness and strife. You're my love, and I want you in my life.
Thank you, Adriana. That was beautiful. Now, David, it's your turn.
James Bond.
All right, well, this one is not titled. There we go. While you are away, my heart consumes me. Oh, pardon me. My heart comes undone, slowly unravels like a ball of yarn. We are stardust, we are golden, we are billion-year-old carbon, and it's like I never had to see it in your eyes or feel it. I can tell when you smile. It's like I didn't need to say anything or do much. I can tell when you smile. Every single molecule is right when all of the subatomic pieces come together in a second. Whenever I put my foot in my mouth and you begin to doubt that it's you that I'm dreaming about, all I ever want is just to fall in your human hands.
Thank you, David.
Thank
That was perfect.
Well done. Thank you so much. Okay, you fell in love by chance, but you're here because you're making a choice. You're both choosing each other. And see right here, okay. You're choosing each other. Yes, someone who enhances you, someone who makes you think, someone who makes you smile, and someone who makes every day a little brighter. Well, you've both dug deep, thought hard, and you've written your own vows from the heart. So, it's that time. Here we go. Do you have a speaker? Do you have a...
Sorry, I forgot.
Lauren, your turn.
Can you I love you the most, and we are very good friends. I love that you love me the most.
and I can always count on you to do everything in your power to make me the happiest girl in the world. I promise to always be my most authentic self and share my life with you fully. I promise to be patient, kind, and to always remember to top tuck before we go to bed at night. Unless I fall asleep first. I look forward to a lifetime of holding hands, eating the delicious food you make for me, hugging and snugging, falling asleep and waking up next to you, listening and singing along with you to the beautiful music you make, goofing off, laughing until our sides split, and being your most favorite person until the day we die. You are my other, my most special honker, and the only person I want to grow old and stay weird with. Oh, wrong thing.
Okay, Blake, now we can.
Mine's a little longer, sorry. I never know when to stop. The first thing I saw was your smile. The first thing you saw was likely my schlubby backpack and my worn down sneakers. But you gave me a chance, despite making it a point to get in a few jabs about my clothes along the way. And you were smiling while doing it, and I spent that whole night getting to see you smile over and over. The following years were spent getting to know you. It's been totally jam-packed with that smile, and making you lose your mind with laughter is still my favorite feeling. We've been through hard times together, lost people we dearly loved, and overcome tons of heartachy growing pains, finding the kind of partnership that works best for us. I asked you to marry me because I don't want to build a life without you. And like I said when I proposed to you, I'm just sick and tired of you not being my damn wife. I promise to be always an honest partner for you, a friend and confidant. I promise to swoon inside whenever you put your soft, buttery hand in mine. I promise to go on tons of adventures with you after having taken the requisite time to mull over my financial anxieties, overplan eating and drinking locations, and underplan pretty much everything else. It's not a bit, I promise. I promise to get excited when we kiss. I promise to keep making jokes about jazz and doing silly voices and everything else I do to entertain you. I promise to be amused at you being constitutionally incapable of holding a banana without pretending that it's a phone. Even when I act like I don't think it's funny. I promise to be the David to your Keith, the Hedwig to your Angry Inch, the peanut butter to your jelly, the rice to your beans, and the kale to your potatoes. I promise to always want to squish on you, even when you don't want me to squish on you, and to apologize for squishing on you too much. I promise to love you deeply and support you unendingly, and I promise to keep trying to be a better person always.
Okay, you've chosen to wear rings as a reminder of these promises. Blake, it's time. Let's see, who's got the rings? There we go. Okay, Blake, as you place this ring on Lauren's finger, please repeat after me. You are the love of my life.
You're the love of my life,
And you are my very best friend.
and you're my very best friend.
I offer this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion.
I offer this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion.
Let it always be a reminder of my vows to you.
Let it always be a reminder of my vows to you.
Okay, thank you. Lauren, it's your turn. As you place the ring on Blake's finger, please repeat after me. You are the love of my life,
You are the love of my life,
and you're my very best friend.
and you are my very best friend.
I offer this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion.
I offer this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion.
Let it always be a reminder of my vows to you.
Let it always be a reminder of my vows to you.
Good.
Kiss you.
Oh, there's Lauren and Blake, in the presence of your family and friends who have joined you to share this moment of joy, you have declared your deep love and affection for each other. You have stated your wish to live together, always open to a deeper, richer friendship and partnership. You have formed your own union based on respect and honor. Therefore, it is my great pleasure to officially acknowledge your union and pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss.